position. So if anyone is ready and welcome to join, we're going to start shortly. 5 sun salutations to get the start of the day going. We'll draw the curtain so you can see. So hello, and just 5 sun salutations this morning, Saturday, to get yourself going. So starting at the front of your mat, you're going to bring the feet together. Heels slightly further apart. Inhaling, reaching the hands high, open the arms wide if you've got space, or through the centre line, that's also fine. Exhale, forward fold. Hands to mat, head come down to the knees. Feel the hamstrings lengthening, lower spine, middle spine lengthening. Inhale, look forward. And exhaling, hands to mat. Take a step back. Come to a plank or a modified plank, either's fine, knees can be floor. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhaling, come forward to an upward dog or a cobra. Open the chest up, shoulder blades come together. And then exhaling, come to a downward dog. Pedal the feet out. Maybe your first thing this morning, so just ease into the body, ease into the sun salutations. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Maybe the hands come to the shin or to the ankles. Look forward. On the inhale, exhale, fold. Inhaling, pivoting from the hips, hands come wide, palms come together above the head. And hands to heart center. So that's the first of the 5. I'm going to just bring in a chair pose to just activate the glutes, quads. Inhaling, hands come high and wide. Palms together, exhale, forward fold, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, look forward, flat back, and exhale, fold. So this is the chair pose. Inhale, sweeping the hands forward. Now hands are pointing upwards, depressing, lowering the shoulder blades down the back, and shoulders draw together, so we're retracting them. Knees are together. Just have a quick peek, couple of reference points. Can you see your toes in the V created by the knees? And then also just tucking the pelvis forward, so we're making the spine long and neutral. Good. Exhale, forward fold, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhaling, flat back, look forward. Exhale, step or lightly jump to the back of the mat. Take your modification, knees to floor. Exhale, full chaturanga. Inhale, come forward to an upward dog. Feel the front body lengthening. And then the lower back. Exhale, downward dog. This time, rather than pedaling the feet out, maybe just push the heels down towards the floor, straighten the knees. Notice how by straightening the knees works hamstrings and calves. Head hangs low as you look towards your toes. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Big toes are touching. And then inhale, sweep hands forward, come to a chair pose. So knees touching. Check to see the big toes. Bend the knees a little bit more, keeping spine neutral. We don't want to be arching the back. The spine is long and neutral. Exhaling, hands to heart center. That's number 2. Speeding it up. Inhaling, hands reach high. Exhale, forward fold, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhaling, look forward, flat back, and exhale, fold. Inhaling, sweeping hands forward, chair pose. So the modifications here, we can keep the hands reaching high, but then come deeper into the pose. So as we come deeper into the pose, still being able to see your big toes, we're just then activating the quads and glutes a little bit more. So just come to a point that's comfortable. and holding. Exhale, forward fold. Hands to mat, head to knees, speeding up. Inhale, lengthen, look forward. Exhale, step or lightly jump. Excuse the dog if you can hear her. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Elbows now tucked in towards the ribcage. As you inhale, an upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Just hold, heels to floor. We'll keep the elbows close to our ribs as we come into a chaturanga, because as we move forward into an upward dog, it creates space and allows the body to make that movement forward more easily. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step or lightly jump to front of the mat. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhaling, sweeping the hands forward and come to a chair pose. Spine neutral, remember tuck pelvis forward. And exhaling, hands together and come to mountain pose. So 2 more times. Inhaling, reaching the hands high. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back, look forward. Exhale, step or lightly jump to the back of the mat. Missed out the chair pose. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. And exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, flat back, look forward. Exhale, fold. Chair pose. Inhaling, sweeping the hands forward. So we're going to come deeper into the pose now. So hands come parallel to the floor. Notice how the shoulders roll down, and that allows us to sit, or helps us to sit deeper into the chair pose. Spine is long and neutral, and by coming deeper, noticing again quads, glutes engaged. Inhaling, straightening the legs, hands windmill high. Come to the last sun salutation now. Exhale, forward fold, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold. Inhaling, sweep hands forward. Chair pose. Notice, remember shoulders, knees touching. Gaze between the hands or straight forward. Exhaling, straightening the legs, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, flat back, look forward. And exhale, step or lightly jump to the back of the mat, plank pose. Push the heels away. Exhaling, lowering down. Elbows, this is where they stay close towards the ribcage. Inhaling, upward dog. And exhaling, downward dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. This is the last sun salutation of the morning. Push through the palms of the hands. Maybe create space. Or maybe gently moving hips from side to side. Gaze towards your toes. 2 more breaths. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step, lightly jump to the front of the mat. Look forward. Straighten the legs before folding on the exhale. Head to knees, chest to thighs. Inhaling, 1 more chair pose. Between the hands. Neutral spine. And exhaling. Standing, bring the hands to heart center last time, windmill, hands wide, palms come together, and exhaling, hands to heart center. So hopefully you can see you don't need a lot of space to join these sun salutations. There can be distractions going on in the house, dogs walking past. It's just really about finding a little bit of time to get that practice in. get the day going with a bit of activity, a bit of breathing, mindfulness. So hopefully that sets you up for the day, and enjoy the rest of the weekend. Thanks for joining. Cheers, bye.